Hey there, Elle Studio friends. Today I am really excited to introduce you to the February 2022 kit and add-ons. We're going to check out the monthly kit first. Let's take a look at these die cuts. I always love looking at the die cuts first because they show us, what the colorways are in the kit, what the themes are for the kit. So lots of great tabs. I see that already. Some great and versatile phrases. I want to remember it all. This warms my heart. I like these stars with the stripes. Those are pretty cool. Focus on the good, life right now. These are great too because you can, put a little journaling in here. You can add the date to these. I always love little labels and things like that that you can do different things with. So those are the two die cut sheets this month. Let's take a look at the 4x6s. Every kit comes with 3 4x6s. Just have to pull them out of here. I already love this one. That colorway, coral, is one of my favorites, so I love that one. Notes from today, a nice, grid ledger. Has times and notes, so if you want to do kind of like a daily log. And then this beautiful teal chevron. Super pretty. Now let's take a look at the 3x4s and make sure mine are the right way around here for you. I have the blue heart label. Love that multicolor stripe. A few of my favorite things. That cute little emoji. Fuchsia, teal. I love ledgers and grids. They're so super usable. You could add a photo to that, a little bit of journaling, and you're done. This is a fun one. So eating, watching, making. That would be cool. This was unbelievable. A yellow tag, super fun. 1, 2, and 3. Teal little hearts there. Note to self. Here's what happened. Currently making time for. This is a great one. Weekend highlights. You could even put a little photo in there. This is a great speech bubble one. I love all the colors on that. And then this is one of my favorite patterns from the Love You paper stack. So we have it in a journaling tag now. So that is our February 2022 kit. Our next product that coordinates with the February 2022 kit is the February labels. I really like these because they have words on each side, so you can, put little notes in that corresponds with the words, or you could put a date in, like for today. Love here. You could add you with the Jane alpha stickers. You could do so many different things with these, and they're all very colorful and pretty. Love those. Next up, we have the Ledger die cut tags. There are 2 sizes of tags in different grid designs with teals and light pinks and light blues. So you get 6 of the small, love these, and 6 of the large. So really fun. Great things to have on hand for gifts, for adding to a card front, to place your sentiment, to adding to a layout, or in your pocket. So love these, lots of uses for them. We also have brand new label stickers. These are fuchsia cardstock label stickers. Again, another staple to have in your stash, just in a different color. Another staple, the Jane Tile alphabet stickers, now in fuchsia. Life captured stickers. These are a really fun addition because they have, kind of the speech bubbles in all of the pretty colors of the kit. Lots of different sentiments and words here for adding to your projects. If you love labels as much as I do, these little love label stickers are the cutest thing ever. They have short ones and longer ones. So the short ones are about an inch long. You can just use them on, to layer, or you can add a little date stamp or a word, there. But then we have the longer ones, and these all come in all of the different colors from the kit. So they are really super cute. These grid circle cardstock stickers are really bright and pretty and just so spring-like. I just love them. They just brighten my day. I just love how they have half of a grid on them and the other half is plain. You can stamp on these because they have a nice matte finish. You can layer these with different embellishments, journal on them. There's so many fun things you can do with these cardstock stickers. We also have another fun embellishment this month. These are gold heart paper clips, so perfect for February, but look how sweet. You get 8 in one pack, and they're just super cute, just a great addition to any page or pocket or card. For our stamps this month, we have the heart label stamp. So we had the star label stamp, now we have hearts, and the great thing about this stamp is that it coordinates with our label metal dies, so you don't have to go out and buy a new set of metal dies. If you already have those label dies, these will coordinate with them as well, but now have hearts. We also have the icon tab stamp, and this is really fun because you have a tab that already fits our tabs metal die, which is awesome. So if you have that, no need to go out and get another one. But then all of these little icons fit inside the tab, so you can coordinate them to whatever you are documenting. I love the balloons and the paw print, the little bowl and whisk, which is so fun. There are just so many great icons on this set. Last but not least, we have the Love Notes stamp. Our note stamps are really popular, you guys, because they make journaling a lot easier by providing lines, by providing boxes. And this one is really fun because you have the heart shape like we had in our die cuts last month with the journaling lines on. You have a 3x4 journaling tag essentially you can create. You have the hearts with dotted lines, you have the rectangle here, and some other things that you can stamp onto your lines or around them to make your own customized journaling tag. We also have a coordinating die with this one, so you can easily stamp the heart and then die cut it out. Look how sweet this little tag is too. There are just so many possibilities creatively with this stamp and this die. I'm really excited to use it. Thanks so much for joining me as I unbox the February 2022 products from Elle's Studio. We are so excited to see what you create with them. So be sure to tag us on Instagram using the Elle Studio hashtag, or join our Facebook group by clicking the down arrow and seeing all my video notes where you can find the link to all of these amazing products. Thanks so much for watching, and happy creating with your February 2022 monthly kit and add-ons from Elle Studio.